Yo, check it. Let's kick this in a gear. I'm in a fast boat. Pass go. Running up the numbers on the dashboard. Big wheel. Pedal to the metal like I know chill. Candy paint. Leather round top. Back in cold. Who really wanted with the dunk? My engine broke. Pull up system loud from out the trunk. Stick together, but don't get too close. I'm dripping when I slide. Follow really when I blast off. Lifting up the tires in the front of the Chevrolet. Sitting in the ground with the rim inside. Never seen a 26 is modified. Hit the gas. Of course, you got steering in my hands. The dunk never down. We multiply and advance.
Jumping in my whip after all this that I've been through, up and down my hydraulics. I ain't never seen him with the homies here, chocha. At the car show, my ride clean, vida loca. Una chica guapa, she's a heartbreaker. Tattoo tears, we laugh now, cry later, then we laugh into the banca. Orale, caught her with me, vato, she a Sancha. Slap his gaffers off with a chancla. Hop and take a cruise at the car show. Do you wanna ride with me in my 6'4"? Hit the switches, make them bounce in the low. Do you wanna ride with me in my 6'4"?
So you want to know about lowriding? My car club has a spot a little up north. You want to roll? Let's do this. I got you on some tacos. Okay, let's talk about your car. It's terrible. Hey, I'm Latina. I'll be honest with you. Solo la gente que no te quiere nunca te dirá la verdad. Créeme. And you're with us now. If you look bad, we look bad. If you shine, we shine. And I tell you, you're gonna shine. Go to the shop as soon as you get there. We'll put hydraulics on this GNX and throw some paint on it. No worries if you don't like the color. You can change it in free drive. The basics of lowriding. Pretty soon, I'll show you how to make your car even more badass. ¡Idiota! ¿Dónde aprendió a conducir este? Uy. This Donk really has no educación. Oh, sorry, homie. Let's keep it moving. Izquierda, on the left. derecha, don't miss the turn. Crossroads after the church. Some people really have no business here. It's Donk territory. They're part of the reason we're here. Motorfest wants to do a contest. They want to know which style is the best. Everybody knows the answer, but anyway. Remember this path? Follow my people, they'll show you the way. El Sereno Car Club. They're like my family. We know each other since, since way back. All from East Los. All love cruising, all of the same lifestyle. You won't find more close-knit and respectful people. Still straight ahead. Right, then left. Oh, it's on your right. There. Ay, estamos en casa. It's good to be home.
your garage driver. In addition to your Buick GNX production version, you now have a lowrider dedicated to the rest of the playlist.
You'll see, a lowrider can hop high, really high. Like my primo always says, it ain't a lowrider if it doesn't have hydraulics and shiny rims. Go with the flow and let El Diablo take control of this GNX.
And my homies got that arm and they feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your records and get wicked up the door. Feeling like Kobe back in his prime. If you talk about the numbers, then I probably go to Brian. I'm a lion out the jungle at the top. I'm like the Dons. It's my life, it ain't a movie. I won't be at Comic-Con. Big poppin', grinding like ain't no option. Throwing that shit to all my homies. Got feel like John Stockton. Every week I stay dropping. Got stay consistent in. Hurt the blind, lead the blind. But I got the vision in. Know the street deficient in. Needed my assistant ends. Well, since my existing ends came a long distance ends. So many days I get you stuck in the ways. Living always raised. Look, I ain't turning down to nothing. Give me the crown or something. Unit full of G's back when Lord told me how to stun it. Pops was slinging yayo, he was getting to the bucks, but I ain't had 50 cents. Now my statements in the plus. The brakes I hit the thrust. Garden snakes I leave them cut. Ask about me in my city, but just know what's up, bud. Newtown, stepping on buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my we in the trenches. Camping at the crib, playing true crime LA. Send the dreads nice, bumping Ice Cube good days. Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it. Man, I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the arm and they feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your records and get wicked up the door. Feeling like Kobe back in his prime. If we talk about the numbers, then I probably go to Brian. I'm a lion out the jungle at the top. I'm like the Dons. It's my life, it ain't a movie. I won't be at Comic-Con. Big poppin', grinding like ain't no option. Throwing that shit to all my homies. Got feel like
your car was like it was possessed. People gonna go crazy for her when she's finished. Bumpers and roof customization are gonna change your car in a radical way. Choose carefully. Guapa! This lady's ready to stroll the barrio. Look at this sunset. Reminds me of LA. We're never far from Cali. Hey, homie, remember when I told you about the Donk versus Lowrider contest? Starts tomorrow. I was thinking maybe you could come with us, show these pendejos, these people, that lowriders can beat any cars. But you need to know how to race your car before... It's okay, I'm confident.
To the scene is going down like an avalanche. Steady going up like a trouble plan. On the sensitive like a power plant. Yeah, I'm on that dope like I'm back again. The busy at the movies out of club. Heard to get the word if it's a cinch. You don't begin to still have emotion. Don't so wild, but I slow it. Make it rain on them, bust a bed, they can throw it. We was steady having it, even at our lowest. High speed road running, keep on rolling. People feel away, but they don't show it. Gotta watch the people that's around that you know it. They be coming around you with some places till you moment. Soon as I should be like, baby, where you going? Never slow down. It's enough to go around. Yeah, you probably won't stop. You don't know it's not. It's either chase a dream or go to jail. First thing that we go back to back. On them like me, we ride. This that back in my back, looking back against the hobby. This that back in my back, looking back and shake the club. This
Second lap.
back, looking bring the force like Tommy. Back in my back, look.
driver. There's always more than one way to win a race. Pay attention. Hey, the crowd seems to like what they see. Oh, use your hydraulics if you can. They're gonna fall in love with you. For my people, building a lowrider is a real way to express their identity. It goes beyond the cars. It's a lifestyle. We've been doing it for a century. A lot of people have tried to keep it down, but we're still doing it. Gas. Let the Donk people know we're coming.
Head to Kaneohe for the Donk versus Lowrider contest, driver. Motorfest is organizing 2 races to decide between the 2 Custer cultures. A face-off plus an 8-rider race. Neutral ground, so there's no advantage for either side. But there's nothing to stop you and your crew of lowriders getting there a little early to make your mark.
Look, there should be shiny skirts and fenders. It's always the details that make the difference. No trace of the Donks. Let's set the moon and make our mark. sick! I've got a surprise for you. The only thing missing for a real lowrider.
The donks are coming, driver. You and your team of lowriders have 2 races to show that small rims are better than big ones. Your car is dressed up for the ball. Well, almost.
That's a good sticker. Vamos, this fool isn't ready for what's coming.
For what?
Who's that?
I'm Weasel. The driver you're racing against is with me, and the car belongs to my guys from Hooligan.
Weasel? You mean like a stretch raton?
You can say that. Looks like you got a little bark on you. How about you and me spice things up, senorita?
It's Senora Sofia Molina Cervantes to you. Vale, I'm listening.
I bet. If we lose the contest, that car's yours. But if we win, though, well, you know how that goes.
What am I gonna do with a car like that? Those fat ugly wheels? Whatever. I'm not scared of a challenge. Órale, accepted.
Deal.
Come on, homie. No way we're losing this.
We'll get it this time.
Whenever you see a shortcut, take it. It'll save you seconds.
One more lap, slow rider.
Can somebody turn his radio off? En cuanto tengo este capricho, le pongo llantas de 13 pulgadas. ours.
Hold on there. Still plenty of race left.
One more race to confirm that Lowrider is the dominant style. Where there's urban culture, there's urban entertainment. We couldn't think of a better city than Honolulu for this latest showdown.
Last race, people. Let's show what our cars and our people are made of. Lowriders on hypercars, but they thrive in the street. Take advantage of this. Be smart and look for the shortcuts. They're everywhere in the city, so abre los ojos. One of them is coming real soon, actually. Turn left when I tell you, driver. Right now! Perfecto.
I see you taking them shortcuts. That ain't cool.
We get you on. You're gonna cry to your mama?
Always snappy with the comebacks, huh, senorita? All right, then. Let's play it that way, then.
Senora! Go straight. Don't turn. Muy bien.
No matter what you do, we leave it with your car, right? We make a great donk out of it, you know what I'm saying?
¿Qué me está diciendo este tío? Don't listen to him, driver. He's losing it. This. The car you're driving is nothing like the one you came to us with. She's got the wheels, she's got the style. You've made a true lowrider out of this máquina. We're definitely gonna win this contest. We're letting a Donk win this race. Push that máquina. Yay! En tu cara, Weasel. Aquí es lowrider territory.
No excuses, yo. You guys are on fire. Should do business together.
The Donks are gathered in town. Weasel D, an influential member of the movement, is waiting for you. Don't lose time, driver. Get your Caprice fired up. This time attack is a test concocted by the Donk enthusiasts. They want to know if you have what it takes to become one of them.
Hey, what up, man? I was told they call you driver, but I'm gonna call you D if you don't mind. That just sounds more impactful. I'm Weasel, by the way. Want to get into the business? Have your own Donk, huh? I'm fine with that, but there's sort of a rite of passage. I'm organizing a little party in Wahiwa, just to chill with people, bet on Donk races. There's nothing wrong with making a few bucks, know what I'm saying? Get there before nightfall, and you have my attention. Promise. By the way, what you know about Donks? You want to be part of the family? You need to know a thing or two about these cars, you feel me? Back in the day, every Donk was a 71 to 76 Chevy. In the 90s, all the dirty South music scene was celebrating the Donks we made. Donks was like an emblem of that movement. It's a vehicle the folks in the hood held close to their hearts and still do today. People are very proud of it, you'll learn. If it ain't the Lowrider there, ain't that cute? Hey, they serving soup at 7 p.m. at the retirement home. Dummies gonna miss the call. Honk at him, D. Car's a 71 Caprice, the purest bass you can get. But it ain't ready for business. Not looking like this, know what I mean? My guys will take care of lifting it. Put 26 on it. And if you don't like the color we chose for you, you can change it in free drive. We're gonna get into style a little later. I'm gonna take my time with you, D. Got a player here. Time to show your skills. to the Donk Kingdom, the city where nobody sleeps. Not since we arrived, anyway. Nice to have you, D. Now we can talk. You know about business, D? See, in business, you gotta look like the boss if you wanna be the boss. The Donk game the exact same way. The right bumper can do that. It gives a donk an imposing look. Come on now. Show what kind of guts your donks got on. Let the sun shine. About the contest, Donk v Lowriders, who's got the best style? Might be an opportunity for you to shine a little. What do you think? I like what you're doing with your car, and I'd like you to drive for me. Think about it. Show 'em, D. Be the greatest.
Now Kim Jones, Dior,
We'll leave camp at first light. Tomorrow, it's going down.
Weasel told all his guys to meet at Hauula Forest. You'll leave from there and arrive together to make a grand entrance at the Donk versus Lowrider contest. It's a good opportunity to have one last go with your fellow donks before racing your true rivals. Weasel must have told you, a donk is a conversion of a Chevy Impala or Caprice, but only models dating from 71 to 76. These are the true donks, but there are also children of the donk. A converted 77 to 90 Caprice is called a box, while a 91 to 96 is a bubble. Use this information to ensure your street cred. I'll give it to you for free.
D, I want you to shine brighter than the Big Dipper, you know what I mean? Golden skirts or chrome fenders, pick your jewels, my friend. One's missing. Step on it, fellas. You don't want to be late for the prom. 4 Chevy Caprices ready for action. Man, we couldn't have made a better impression. These cars have always been the brand's most luxurious. The 71 is already super classy with its egg crate grille. So with our modifications, damn, I can't wait for us to arrive. Straight ahead, my friend. this now. I'm real happy, dude. For real. You made your own donk with your own style. Maybe you could add one last little touch. We'll see. But you got something most people will never understand. A donk is all about self-expression, a way of showing your individuality. And if we can tease the competition and make a few bucks, shit, that's two birds, you know what I mean? Turn right. Let's hear these engines. All eyes on us. It's a beautiful day in Oahu, Hawaii, man. I love this state. All the girls want to play Baywatch, you feel me? Lowriders are hanging around the football field. Let's say what up to them, you feel me? One last touch before the contest. Either you play it subtle or a little ostentatious. Either way, your donk gon' kill the game. Lowriders, you're not ready.
Pendejo, you ready to lose?
Oh, D, what's that? Some Latina voice on the line. Hey, man, I'm sure it's a ghost. Get out of my head.
I'm real, chico.
Damn. Seriously, you scared the hell out of me, girl. I hate ghosts. Wait, you that mamacita from the Lowriders, huh?
I'm Sophia, and this Lowrider belongs to my car club.
A GNX 87, right? Nice touch of gold.
See, so even a donk guy can know a thing or two about cars.
Oh, you better believe. How about I put some big rims on it, set it off right?
That sounds lame.
You never know if you don't try. How about we make this interesting? A little bet. Winner of the contest takes the loser's car.
If it'll give that caprice a chance to a better life, then I accept. No car deserves to be a donk.
Perfecto. Steve, you heard? It's up to you now, baby. saw some shortcuts on the pad. Be smart. Use them. On the left, dude. I think we're gonna have to make room in the garage.
Not gonna happen.
Donk vs. Lowrider chapter takes place there.
Come on, guys, let's get this win. But take it easy on our lowrider friends.
Espero que hayas traído a vuestras mamás para que os consuelen después de la carrera. Y Weezer, solo los bebés tienen miedo de los fantasmas.
What'd you just say? Cara, translate for me.
Sophia said, I hope you brought your mums to comfort you after the race.
Girl got hard. Trash talk is part of the game.
She also added, and Weasel, only big babies are afraid of ghosts.
Oh, that ain't even true, though. You forced my hand, girl. Now we're gonna end this in a knockout victory. I trust you, D. Make the difference, and that lowrider is your trophy to take. Turn right straight after the checkpoint. I see a shortcut. On your right again, dude.
I'd be lying if I said I liked your style, but I admit it. You guys know how to drive.
Thanks. I'll take any compliment.
But it won't be enough, lo siento.
Oh, yeah? Come on, D. Give it your all. nitro down the straights, just like we did in the Donk races. D. There you go. Don't take it personally, senorita. Just business.
Don't get too attached to the car, comadreja. I'll take it.